the Penang curry vegetarian, which looks really good. And we've got some of the fried rice. Say what that is again, babe?
That's one noodle rice
Yeah.
and shrimp
Yeah.
and octopus.
Oh, wow. Looks great. It's our second time on this trip, short trip. Yes. It was just good food and we were able to get in and
Love it.
love it, yeah. I'm trying the pumpkin curry. It looks incredible. Vegetarian with tofu, comes with some white rice. And my wife got the tom yum or yum tom. What's it called?
Tom yum.
Tom yum. Okay. And looks really good. And then you've got all these, extras here. So yeah, we're happy to be back.